I don't know what is this. I think it's the friendship necklace or Mina's order.
Yeah, yung parcel. You see? Wow. Sige na, open it. Para kanino ba yung isa?
Cheska. How do you remove it?
Yan. Order kami kasi sa online shop.
Paano ko sa 12?
Shopping ng...
Paano ko sa 12 na early?
Eh, nakalagay kasi doon, schedule niya April 12, pero April 7 pala dumating na. So, yeah, umorder siya ng friendship bracelet and she'll friendship necklace. So, she'll give it to who, kanina may bigay yung isa. I see.
Big.
Wow. Oh, what did it say to me? Syempre.
Thank you. And it says, best friend.
Messi, show it. How nice it is.
Ay, baliktad.
Wow.
Try ko ikabit.